Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 141 and friends, today we are going to continue the same topic that we will discuss about the properties of animals, that what kind of properties they possess, and every animal has its own distinct properties or qualities. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 141. Jeev Jantu means animals. So friends, we normally see animals in our nearby society, in our streets, colony, roads, or in zoos, in wildlife sanctuaries, in parks, or some animals like dogs, cow, buffalo, we use them as pet also at our homes. So friends, every animal has its own distinct properties. So friends, let's see them with examples. कौन सा जानवर गाड़ी खींचता है? तो इसका जो आंसर है फ्रेंड्स वो है टट्टू. So friends, basically it is a present interrogative type sentence. So in English it means which animal pulls wagons, and the answer is the cart, horse or mule. So friends, basically the question is basically asking about that animal which is normally used to pulls wagons or used to carry load from one place to another place. So basically the cart, either horse or mule, they are basically used to carry heavy loads from transporting from one place to another place. So कौन सा जानवर गाड़ी खींचता है मीन्स टट्टू. इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच एनिमल पुल्स वैगन्स मीन्स द कार्ट, हॉर्स और म्यूल. सो फ्रेंड्स, सिंस इन दिस सेंटेंस दे आर बेसिकली मेंशनिंग अबाउट द पुलिंग और लोड टेकिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर एनिमल, एंड सिंस दिस सेंटेंस इज रिलेटेड टू क्वालिटी ऑफ एनिमल्स, सो इट इज ए एनिमल रिलेटेड सेंटेंस. कौन सा जंतु छत्ते में रहता है? तो इसका उत्तर है शहद की मक्खियां. So friends, basically it is also a present interrogative type sentence. So in English it means which insect lives in a hive, and the answer is bees. So friends, basically in this sentence they are basically asking about that particular insect or animal who basically lives in hive, who have their own houses and they live there by hiding themselves. So basically bees are the only insects or worms which normally lives in hive. So friends, कौन सा जंतु छत्ते में रहता है? शहद की मक्खियां. So in English it means which insect lives in a hive? So the answer is bees. Since it is a present interrogative type sentence, and since in this sentence they are basically asking about the shelter or the home of the insects or worms where they live safely, and since this sentence is related to animal, so it is a animal related sentence. Which कौन सा जीव जाला बुनता है? सो इसका उत्तर है मकड़ी. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज ऑल्सो ए प्रेजेंट इंटरोगेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच इंसेक्ट्स वीव्स वेब्स, एंड द आंसर इज द स्पाइडर. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली वी हैव नॉर्मली सीन स्पाइडर एट आवर होम्स ऑल्सो. फ्रेंड्स, they normally make webs, very long webs which are very difficult to remove, and friends, they are very harmful because spider is very harmful for the body, and we normally say that we should keep our home clean and tidy, that all these worms and insects should not come at our home, they should be removed time to time. So basically in this sentence कौन सा जीव जाला बुनता है, एंड उत्तर जो है वो है मकड़ी. मकड़ी जाला बुनती है. So in English it means which insect weaves webs, and the answer is the spider. So friends, basically it is a present interrogative type sentence, and since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the quality of a particular insect or animal who weaves his own web, and since this sentence is related to animal, so it is a animal related sentence. कौन से जानवर शिकार करते हैं? तो इसका उत्तर है सिंह, भेड़िया, चीता. So friend, basically it is also a present interrogative type sentence. So in English it means which are the beasts of prey, and the answer is lion, wolf, leopard. So friends, in this sentence basically lion, wolf, leopard are the kind of animals who normally hunt for other animals. Basically they are very dangerous and they basically try to eat other short animals. So friends, कौन से जानवर शिकार करते हैं? सिंह, भेड़िया, चीता, who normally hunts for other animals. So in English it means which are the beasts of prey? Lion, wolf, leopard. So friends, in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the quality of that particular animal who normally hunts for other animals to make them their own food. And since this sentence is related to animal, so it is a एनिमल रिलेटेड सेंटेंस। रात को कौन सा पक्षी चीखता है? तो उसका उत्तर है उल्लू। सो फ्रेंड, बेसिकली इट इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इंटरोगेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस। सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच बर्ड hoots at night, and the answer is the owl. So friends, in this sentence they are basically asking for that particular animal who normally shouts in the night, and basically the owl is a kind of animal who normally awakes in the night only, who normally shouts in the night when all general public go to sleep. So friends, रात को कौन सा पक्षी चीखता है? तो उल्लू. So in English it means which bird hoots at night? So the answer is the owl. So it is a present interrogative type sentence, friends, and since in this sentence they are basically mentioning the quality of shouting at night of a particular animal, so it is a animal related sentence. कौन सा जानवर मनुष्य से मिलता जुलता है? तो उत्तर है बंदर. So friends, basically it is also a present interrogative type sentence. So in English it means which animal resembles human beings, and the answer is the ape. So friends, basically it is also present interrogative type sentence, and in this sentence they are basically asking about that particular animal which resembles human beings. मतलब वो एक ऐसा जानवर है जो आदमियों से मिलता जुलता है, and the answer is बंदर यानी ape. So friends, कौन सा जानवर मनुष्य से मिलता जुलता है? बंदर. Which animal resembles human beings? The ape. So friends, since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the quality of a particular animal which resembles basically human beings, and since the ape is the only animal which resembles human beings, and since this sentence is related to animals, so it is a animal related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 141, in which I tried to explain you about Jeev Jantu means animals related sentences, basically about their qualities they possess to with all of us. Basically animals have their own basic distinct properties and qualities which a normal person doesn't have. So these qualities are normally used by various persons in the society for doing their work or etc. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your parents, friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And ultimately with the passage of time you will realize that your confidence has boosted up, your personality has groomed, and ultimately you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of another person. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about animals related sentences, because these kind of sentences we normally use in our day-to-day life to call animals or to tell about particular animal, about its properties or qualities to another person. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I would like to request you again that please keep practicing these sentences daily, and at some point of time you will realize that you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of bigger society or in front of bigger perspective. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.